Rondo, and we back with another video. I hate starting videos like that, but it feels so natural. In my honest opinion, I feel like my V6 sounds pretty good. There are a few key exhaust parts that I want to change out to try to get my tone somewhere where I want it to be. You know, I've been riding with this setup for a little minute, and I think it's time to change it up a little bit. I want to mix it up, try a little something different, and we're going to see how they go. Anyway, let's pop off in a little location, and we can go over the parts that I got, and yeah. Quick pause from the video real fast. I ain't mean to whiplash you, but I got some exciting news to share. As y'all know, I bought the Maxima before, and I was gonna use that as my daily, but that motherfucker was a flop. Long story short, I blew a head gasket. But it's all good, it's all gravy, because one thing happened for other things to happen. I got another car for the channel. Y'all got about 5 seconds to guess what it can be. You know what I'm saying? Here it is. Yes, sir. So like y'all see, man, this is my 2006 Dodge Charger RT, man. Yes, sir. And this is of course, this is the pre-Eagle 5.7. So it come with the older heads and only pushing like 340 horsepower. I think it's like 390 foot-pounds of torque, but yeah, man, I'm gonna have some fun with it. This is just a little introduction video just because, like, bruh, I'm so fucking excited. So excited. I always love these, like, this 6th gen Charger look is kind of timeless. I'll even give y'all a little exhaust clip real fast, man. Tease y'all with something since we on the V6 exhaust today. So I'm gonna let y'all hear this one. I mean, it's stock. Like I said, it's mufflers and everything on it, so it ain't nothing crazy, but fuck it, bro. Let's listen to it. Let's listen. Yeah, she kind of like bone stock, but like I said, man, we just starting at the beginning, and there's just more stuff for us to do. But anyway, back to the video, man. I'll catch y'all. Yes, sir. Like y'all see, man, we got a couple boxes that we're gonna be doing. Like I see, man, we got a couple.
Down.
Like y'all see, man, we got a couple new boxes that we got with some exhaust parts that we're gonna be changing up on the V6. How I'm running this big boss 4s in the middle, cut my resonators in the bag, and I got my quad tips. But in these boxes, we got a little bit more goodies throw on her, brother. We're gonna start with what I'm most excited for, and that's in this box right here. Hey guys, so opening the first box, got us a little H-pipe, bit dog. For those of you that don't know, the stock V6s come with the factory little X-pipe. I'm gonna be switching it out, and I'm gonna be going with this H-pipe. Now, H-pipes are specifically designed to give a little bit deeper exhaust tone, more throaty. H-pipes cancel out the high-end exhaust notes, and really X-pipes cancel out the low-end. So, thinking about adding this should improve the exhaust note on the V6 a pretty good bit, honestly. I got this one from Blastin' Bob's. It was like $135. Not gonna lie. That's the one I'm mostly excited for. I really never see H-pipes on Challengers, or not on YouTube at least. So really excited to see how it's gonna change my exhaust note, and if it's gonna actually make it better. This thing sounding like a goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have it sound like a scat. Ooh. I mean a scat. On to the next box, guys, and what I got was some vibrant, ultra quiet resonators. Honestly, I've heard that even though they're ultra quiet resonators, they don't really take up too much of the sound away. They're really deleting a lot of that rasp. Yeah, I got these because I was gonna take off the cats that was gonna add rasp. I wanted to kind of cancel it out, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that, brother. I'm gonna be honest with you, cause I don't wanna have a fucking fart cannon, dog. I'm gonna be honest with you. But yeah, I got two ultra quiet resonators that we're gonna be pairing with the H-pipe. Like I said, we should be getting a deeper tone, less rasp up top, more of that muscle car tone. And the ultra quiet resonator should, I guess, cancel out the rest. I don't know, this motherfucker gonna be deep heavy, dog. Shit, let's go ahead and head to the shop, get this shit done. Let's go now. From the exhaust, fresh out of the exhaust shop, man, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. I ain't gonna lie, I got a little teaser. I had to drive over here, and I'm kind of surprised at how it sounds, but anyway, yeah, let's put it down. Let me crank it up, let y'all listen to it. She is a little bit more quiet, but that thing moving. I ain't gonna lie. I know they say it's like a little bit of added torque down low with an H-pipe. I fucking believe it. Ooh! Hold up. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, she a little bit more controlled. I done lost my pops, bro. My little downshift pops and shit, that's gone. Hold up now, don't worry about my brakes. Hold up, now I just popped one time. Dude. Yeah, I'm fucking with this. It sounds good. I ain't heard it from the outside yet. But just on the inside, little revs and shit, it sounded pretty good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of happy with it, man. My exhaust before, yeah, it was louder. It was a little bit more aggressive. I had a lot more pops. The downshifts were a little bit, more aggressive. But this overall just sounds better. It sounds like it's more, I don't know, it's just a more tuned exhaust. No parts of this exhaust sound bad. Before, some part of the RPM sounded really good. Other parts sounded fucking terrible. But man, this right here is, yeah, I'm messing with that, man. Let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all think I should have did something different. Y'all think I should have did it without the resonators? Not gonna lie, with the way that this exhaust is sounding now, I think maybe I could go without the cats. This is pretty quiet, so I feel like taking the cats off won't affect it that bad. It'll probably be around the same volume as my Challenger was before. So I don't know. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this, man. This came out pretty well. I appreciate y'all sticking around for this video. Be on the lookout for the next one. I'll catch y'all. Peace.